Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota Sienna sliding door. Whether you're loading groceries, helping children into the back, or just need quick access, knowing the different methods is incredibly helpful. We'll cover the manual approach, using the interior buttons, and even your key fob. Get ready to make accessing your Sienna's rear seats a breeze with these straightforward instructions. To open your Sienna's sliding door manually, simply grasp the exterior door handle. Pull it firmly outwards and you'll feel the latch release. Then, gently slide the door along its track. It should move smoothly and easily. Ensure it's fully open before allowing passengers to enter or exit, providing ample space and preventing accidental closure. For power operation, you have a few convenient choices. From inside, press the overhead console button, usually located near the rearview mirror. Alternatively, use your key fob. There's a dedicated button for each sliding door. Passengers can also use the button located on the B-pillar, just inside the door frame. A single press will activate the door, making entry and exit effortless. When operating your sliding doors, safety is paramount. Always check the surrounding area for any obstructions, like other vehicles or people, before opening or closing. Remind children to keep their hands and fingers clear of the door's path. If your power door seems to struggle, inspect the track for any debris that might be hindering its movement. Keeping the tracks clean ensures smooth operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.